Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to access draft videos on TikTok. So first of all, launch TikTok application on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now, once you come to your account's main page, you'll see the category of drafts at the left-hand side corner. If you tap on it, you'll see the date of your draft video saved. You can tap on it and continue editing your draft video as well. Another method through which you can access draft videos on TikTok would be tap on this plus button at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap on the option of Create at the bottom. Once you come over here, at the top you'll see the category of drafts. Tap on it. With that, you will be led to the category or section of your draft TikTok videos as well. So that's how simply you could access drafts on TikTok. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.